Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. We're going to continue on our journey through this perfumed box here. I did wash these guys, and they didn't seem to smell very much until they dried, and now they still smell like, yeah, they still smell like that perfume. So yeah, they're not even dry, completely dry yet, and I washed them 2 days ago, so they've taken a long time to dry. Anyway, let's get through this stuff here. Here's a really awesome wood bracelet. So chonky. I need to wear a whole bunch of these. I have a bunch upstairs. I need to get my iris apfel on. Ocean of Inspirations. Wave. Life is a Wave. Catch it. Shagwear Canada. Okay. Shagwear, huh? Here is a Trifari piece that's really on a reflective background. Let's see. Okay, well, it's on. It's got green and, let's see, a little bit of blue. It's got a blue stone here and a green stone here, and the rest is black and white. Trifari. Looks to me to be a newer Trifari because it has a... Or it's not even Trifari because I don't see a mark on it anywhere. It might just be somebody put it on that card. This is earring backs. This is lovely golden faux pearls. Lariat. Really pretty. Pretty, pretty. Pretty long, too. It's got a little bit of room on the string. This looks like it might have stretched a little bit. And then, oh, look at this. This one is got a tag on it. Arden B. Arden B. Have you ever heard of them? 22 bucks. 20, wait, what am I saying? $24. Two-tone. Large, sure, whatever that means. Ties in the back. It looks like this one needs a trim. It's got big crazy faux pearls in like a bronze and a champagne. And I never showed you my nails. Well, I never explained them. I have Sally Skellington on this side and Jack Skellington on this side from Nightmare Before Christmas. I'll tell you, that wasn't fun. Well, it was fun when I finally got it to work, but I had to do it like 3 times, especially this hand. This hand wasn't too terrible. I only had to do one over again. And whatnot. So, let's see. This one. That one. This is pretty. This is pretty. I like it. Little like waffle flowers with 4 little rhinestones in the center of each one, and they're all there, and it's not marked, but it feels really nice. Here's a single turquoise colored peace sign. And what on earth? Oh, I want to pull that out of there and I can't. It's being obstinate. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my, hold on. Just you wait. So cool. This is beautiful. Oh man. Dang it. I thought they were all there, but they're not. It's vintage. Woohoo. Where? Oh well. Can't have them all. Here's the other one of those that we had the other day. Pretty little piece of shell with some paint on it. Paintwork. Artwork. Let's see, what are you doing? Are you an earring? Yes, you are. Brass. Ooh, brass and blue. That's fun. I think these are real turquoise. This is an older one. Nice. I think. Please don't quote me on that. I guess it's a case of buyer beware. Here is a green shell necklace. I think there was one of these in blue that Miss Jen got. Because I put, well, in the jar she bought, she got the bracelet. So I put I found the necklace and put it in there too in her box. And depending, I don't know, maybe this one too? I don't know, maybe there'll be a bracelet to go with this one as well, I don't know. But I like it, well wait, I generally don't like just plain shell. But this has like an aurora coating on it that makes it look really cool, metallic looking. It's really neat. It's cool. It's cool. I want to thank everybody for helping me get through what's going on lately. I really do appreciate you being here and helping me out. This is different. Wow, this is really different. I don't know if I like it. I mean, I like it, but I don't like it. It's got this for the extender. It's got these cute little cones. Come on. My hubby helped me out today. He took Max's cage apart for me. Alright, this is weird. It's all organza ribbon, and it's got pearls and some aurora and some plain. And it's got, let's see how many it's got on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strands of ribbon with these beautiful pink beads, and I'm on the fence on whether it's nah or ooh. You never know sometimes. Alright, here's some I think it's abalone underneath faceted, or it could be faux. I don't know. I can't tell. And this side has little patterns on the back. That's cute. Don't know. Don't know. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a vintage blue on blue. Very pretty. Look. Scarlett says hello. Speaking of pretty jewelry, there was a post on my Facebook. My daughter does not post on Facebook very often, but she posted today, and I knew that she got a new job as a bench jeweler at a small company, but apparently they added her to their website, and she posted that, a screenshot of that to her Facebook, and she's not just a bench jeweler, she's head bench jeweler, and she is also executive assistant to the owner. So, I was not aware. And she's also their hand model now on Instagram. So look up Winterco, Winterco on Instagram, and the things that you find on there. Yeah, that's my daughter and my daughter's work. They do all conflict-free diamonds and salt and pepper diamonds and stuff. Really, I'm really blown away that she's doing so well. Like, I'm freaking out here, man. I'm about fit to bust. I'm so proud, and that was wonderful news in light of what all that's happening with me lately. It cheered me up immensely. And here's another nice vintage one. It's got some dead stones, like up on this end. They may clean up, I don't know. We will see. That's a neat one. So yeah, good news. That was very good news for me. I needed it. Oh, God, it's full on stuff and nothing wants to come out. Ooh, what are you? Ooh, that's pretty. And it's on the end of a chain, which means it's probably a lariat too. Let's pull this and see what's on the other end. Oh no, it's one of these. I know. It's one of these guys. Excuse me. It's one of these ones that you wear around your neck and then you let that bit dangle. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Stop it. Untangle. There. Oh, here's a little cherub. He's cute. Kind of heavy. So this, it has this on one end and this on the other. And you you wear it like this. So you have it around your neck and then you let this dangle like that. It turns it into like a Y necklace. So that's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Neat. They're really different. Here is another strand of beads. It's gold tone, copper tone, and gunmetal beads. What's this? Ooh, here's one of these here glasses things. And here's a chain with a knot in it. Plain Jane chain, and it's missing, well no, it's not missing it. It's it needs to be put back on. Needs to be repaired. Here's another Soleil, Leathercraft, bleh. Bleh. Here is a very blingy, sparkly earring. That's cool. I like that. If I could wear it. What are you? You're a pin of some sort. The heck? It's a singing angel, I guess. She's got her hymnal in front of her face. That's goofy. Here is some green glass beads on a silver tone filigree. And, oh my goodness. Oh my holy molies. Yeah. Oh, here's another one of those. This fake gauges. This one's like an S. Check it out. Maybe the other one's in here. That would be cool. Here's an earring. Come on. Untangle. Untangle. There. And these guys have little... Eee! Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Cute. Oh my gosh, my back is itching like a muffin. Where did I put that? I think somebody bought it, but I just found the second earring. So if you're the one that bought the necklace, there's a pair of screwbacks that matches. So let me know. Let me know. Criminy. Oh, here's the earring to that necklace that was broke. And it's also broke. The one with the pearls in it. This one. Oh, look, another one just popped out. Wow. So if I find a bunch of these, I know where they go. I did find the other earring that has the pearl still in it. So there may, if I can find 3 of these, oh, well, let's just have everything fall apart. If I can find the rest of these, I can repair it. Whew, can't even talk. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a dark brass with a faux turquoise. Here is a... Oh, I didn't know they had their stuff made in Vietnam. This is a Cookie Lee. And it is beautiful. On a cord. Usually I don't like things on a cord, but that looks good together. And what the heck? This is somebody's practice knottings, it looks like. And then they put this on there. And they hadn't finished knotting everything. So that's basically just some nice dyed howlite beads that you can do what you want with, I guess. Here's a neat little earring. Little seed bead guy. Pretty greens and blues. What is this? Oh wow, that sounds fun too. Whoopsie. This looks like a Sarah Coventry. No, it's a Trifari, if I'm reading that right. Yeah, this is vintage Trifari. Silver tone on a chain. I like the chain. It's a really nice, it's a tight roller chain. Very, very nice. I'm not sure that the chain goes with it though. Looks like it was married later. Who knows? Could be, could be. Here is the rest of those beads. That's whoever that was working on their project. Was is das? Oh, look at this cute little thing. Ugh, it's filthy, but yeah, a lot of dirt in this one. So everything will get a wash. Look at this St. Patty's Day bracelet. Let's see, we have some green beads, a shamrock, another green bead, a pot of gold, a little leprechaun's hat, and oh look, golden coins, and a horseshoe. That's so cute. Tito. Here's the other one of these. Oops, we need to find the other half. Here's a little tiny broken. It's not broken, it's a bead. So what you would do would be, you would put like a head pin through here with a head, with a little round bead, and then some other beads down here, and then you twist the end, and it would make you a little, what do you call it? Dragonfly or fairy or dragonfly charm. And yes, it's past 20, but I'm going to continue because I need this. I need this. This is really pretty. This is a choker. And it is unmarked, but it's really cool. Very, very small. It's like a 15-inch. It's definitely a choker. I'm gonna keep going. Going and going and going. I want to see what this one is. It's very, very different. Very, very, very different. And it's got a tag on it. But I can't tell what the tag said. You hear that strange noise? It's making a strange noise. It's made of springs. Oh, please, come undone. That's crazy. It's all kind of tangled up. Eh. Oh, jeez. That. Come on. Come on. Oh. Look at this mess. I'm so impatient with this stuff. That goes there. This needs to come off of here. Please come undone. This is so neat, though. Come on, don't do this. Yeah. Come on. There we go, there's that off of there. And then... I'm sorry, this is taking a while. There's that off of there. This is really different. Here's the end of it. Okay, now, do you... Okay, you're the tag. So we'll take you off because you're mucking up the works. And I can't really even tell who that is, but look at this. It's made with... Oh, it did come undone. It's made with springs. It's really cool. It's black, gold, and silver. It still has a little something caught up in this end, but... That makes a neat sound. Okay, we're at 25. I'm going to say goodnight here. I want to thank you all for being here. I would like to ask you to please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down there, and if you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp in the comments below. With a timestamp of the one that you would like, one or ones that you would like, or if you would rather, you can send me an email at the email in my description with the timestamp, the title of the video, and the date that it was posted. Remember that I love each and every one of you. I stink at doing this. I love each and every one of you. And be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.